Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to cover a sensational video enhance tool, HitPaw VikPea, formerly known as HitPaw Video Enhancer. HitPaw VikPea is a tool that I never seen before. Sometimes we have such issues that the resolution of the video is not good enough, right? And as a YouTuber, sometimes I generate AI videos, but the quality is not quite good. We download some movies or TV shows and we want to improve the quality of the resolutions, right? And in my work, I need to remove the watermark on the videos and also change the black and white movie to colorful movie. But with this HitPaw VikPea, you can do it in a minute. Wow, let's go. In the landing page, we can find some introduction about this wonderful tool. For example, like you have some images or you have some videos, but the quality is not good enough. For example, like this one, the quality of this video is not good enough. But after you use this tool, the quality improves a lot. And sometimes we need to remove the background. We can do that. And also, not to mention, remove the watermark, a piece of the cake. And you can repair almost every videos in the past from DVD or black and white or the video from our grandmas. The reason why this tool is such an amazing tool because they have AI powered inside to denoise the videos, also remove the background, and restore and renew your old videos. And they have different AI models designed for different videos. For example, if you want to upscale your animated movies, you can use animated model. But if you have a realistic video, like one from your dog, you can use the detail recovery. This video will help you to master this amazing tool within 10 minutes. I hope you will like it. And what we're waiting for, let's go. To use HitPaw VikPea, you need to download the software. So click here to download it for free. After downloading the software, you will land in this amazing homepage of HitPaw VikPea. So on the top, we have 4 buttons. One is Video Enhancer, which leads this software. And second button is for those videos has blur faces. And the third one is detail recovery. Like what I said before, if your video is kind of a blur one or lack of the details, this model can help you. And sometimes we compress the video too much and the quality is terrible. We can use this tool to repair the video. And for the upscale galleries, we have different ones for different scenarios. For example, like what I mentioned before, the anime videos. This one designed for repair the animations. And you know me, a lot of AI videos are made in the anime style. So let's try this first. Okay, I just opened this AI generated video and the animation model already is on hover. You don't need to do anything. If you want to preview the video, just click here. We have a 3-second preview video. On our left is original video and on our right is fixed video. We can see the quality is already much better than the before and we don't have the noise in the background. And check out the edges of these characters, very clean. Oh my god, the quality is so amazing. And how do we get the full video? Okay, click here, export. Now VikPea is helping us to upscale the quality. Are you excited just like me? So we can upscale all the videos to 4K quality. And I got to say, each frame of this video now can be the wallpaper. Alrighty then, so let's try something more fun. Hey, what if I have a very old movie that's in black and white? Can we fix that? Sure, we have colorized black and white video tools. And they have 4. I'm gonna try the first one because I have a clip of the movie. citizen Cayenne. So let's try if we can bring Cayenne to the modern world. Click here, and let's click the preview. Oh my god, this is the first time I watched this movie in colors. Let's try to export the full video.
Why I can't raise my own voice is more than I can understand.
Go on, Mr. Thatcher.
Everything else, the principal as well as all monies earned, is to be administered by the bank in trust for your son Charles Foster Kane until he reaches his 25th birthday, at which time he is to come into complete possession.
Charles!
Wow, I got to admit that this is the first time I use such a powerful enhancer tool. I'm shocked. What about you? What about the pets? How about the puppies and the kittens? Let's try. But this time we have two options. One is quality, another is balance. So the first option will put the quality in the priority mission, and for the balance, you will get exactly the same detail. So I think we're going to go with the quality and click export. Oh, and what about the watermarks? Watermark removal. So let me use the first one and let me mark the watermark. So you might notice that the interface of the watermark removal tool is quite different. And let's directly click the export. Wow, the watermark is gone. That is all for the HitPaw VikPea tutorial. I hope you like it. If you wish to download this tool, don't forget to check the link in the description. And good news, this tool is on big sale, so don't forget to check the link, you won't be regret. Congratulations, you finished this episode. And don't forget to subscribe us and please click the like button. Also leave all your questions inside of our comment zone. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.